Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna do another hair review today, but I'm gonna do it like I've been doing. I've been doing my makeup with you first, and then we get right into the hair review because I do my makeup to get ready for this video. So I'm like, let's just get ready together. Why not, right? So that's kind of what I've been doing lately. And if you want to skip forward to review this product, no, this is not honey for your tea. This is not honey, even though it looks exactly like honey. This is from Camille Rose, Honey Hydrate, the leave-in collection. How do you not buy this? I thought this was honey, and I love honey. And I have to warn you all that don't eat this. Do not eat this is not honey. Golden honey base, conditioned to provide maximum hydration. Use as a leave-in on freshly conditioned hair, then style as desired. But I will say the number one ingredient is honey. The second is olive fruit oil, which is from olives. Castor, seed oil, aloe leaf juice, bilberry fruit, sweet orange fruit, lemon fruit extract, and sugarcane. Why do I have to have sugarcane in this? These are really good ingredients. All right, I was just so curious. But first, before we get to that, I'm going to do my makeup. So if you want to skip to that, I will put the timestamp right here. All right, I don't know what makeup I'm using. I'm just going to use makeup that I have. So I opened my drawer and found this. This is Estee Lauder Futurist Hydra Rescue Moisturizing Makeup, and it has SPF of 45. I haven't used this in so long. It's not heavy, it's lightweight, and look at that coverage. Beautiful. Instant. Look at that. I did that so fast with my hands, and wow. Nice coverage. I'm going to keep that out. Now, this is what I've been doing lately, which is what everybody has been doing for years. And I never was on the contour train. I want to paint my face, basically. But if you think about it, I am doing it in just each step. So I've been doing it at the same time, and it really does combine the makeup together. The blush, the bronzer, concealer. I kind of like the way that's been looking, so I'm going to do that again. Listen, I'm more about natural makeup, but you know, I love those looks, those crazy bow looks. It's just not me. I'm not a makeup artist. I mean, I took classes, the online makeup academy, but I like doing makeup on myself, and I don't do any crazy looks. I'm an average woman, just trying to get through the day. And like all of you, we just want a little makeup to look a little decent. We're not looking to unless we go out, then I'll put more on, but I still won't put on as much as, I'm not an artist in that way. But I do like this new way of putting makeup on. And you see it like bronzer on a stick maybe would be helpful. I want to get bronzers on a stick. I need that because it would help with this. So I'm just going to use Revlon Color Stay Concealer. Skin Awaken. I went through this pretty fast. It looks like a lot, but it's a really thin layer. NARS blush on a stick. The sticks are easy. I'm gonna get myself some sticks. And it's kind of fast, even though it's all these steps, but then when you're done, your whole face is done. I like that. My Honey. This is a concealer, but I use it as a bronzer. Have Hide in 3 different colors. I love this stuff. See, I'm not putting a crazy amount on. Sometimes you'll see it's whoa, that's a lot. But I think at the end of the day, this is a fair amount for how much I put on normally. I'm back to using this brush again. This is from BoxyCharm. I like it. It comes in a large size as well. So I'm going to start with the darkest colors first. I was starting with the lightest, but I think I like the look with the darkest first. So and if I have to put more, I'll put more on, which I think I have to definitely for here, but let's wait a little. I just spread that, but honestly, I normally do this pat 100 miles an hour. Because sometimes I am too hard on my hand when I spread. Actually, before I finish, I always forget to add my eye primer on at this point too. This eyeliner primer, Angel Eyes, from True and Luscious. A little goes a long way. Didn't that blend so nice? It looks like a lot, but it's not, right? Look at that, and now we're done. And look how pretty that looks. I might put a little more powder bronzer on, but I don't want to go crazy. I'm just going to put a little more bronzer. This is Iconic London. Just a little powder. I'll put all of the products that I'm using in the link below. I have been putting my eyeshadow on lately with my fingers. Call me lazy, I don't care. But that's what I've been doing, and I'm going to do it with this Beauty Bakery. Proof is in the pudding. I love this. This came in BoxyCharm as well. Guys, my BoxyCharm is coming soon, I think. Look at that. This palette is so pigmented. Like, it's thick. This is what I like. Good coverage. Guys, I need to go online. I keep forgetting to order my Milani lip gloss online because I can't find it in the store. And I did find by Milani, Keep It Full lip, just like this. And it was a different color, but the color looked similar. So I'm like, oh, I'll try it. But it said Keep It Full Max. Big letters. So I got it. It's in my bathroom. Boy, like I don't use the Milani lip plumper to plump my lips. I mean, I don't complain about my lips. I'm happy about my lips. I'm happy with my lips. But that Max, I get it because I love this color. Like, I can't find a color just like this. It's not about the lip plumper. But that Max, I had to wipe. I thought my lips were gonna fall off. It was so mentholy. I don't know. Does that really make your lips plumper? I don't know. But it's as if I had I don't even know what an allergic reaction is, but I'm thinking that must be it. Okay, makeup is done. Simple, boring, yes. That's what I do, sorry. Simple, classic, boring. What can I say? And now we will review this hair product. Honey! I love honey. Instead of tea, I'll put honey in hot water. I like honey in hot water better. Woo, look at that hair. Guys, I did my roots. I did my root touch-up. And it looks like I finally did a good job. And I'm going to tell you why I never do a good job. Because my hairstylist told me, I'm like, listen, I don't know what it is. I keep screwing up my color. I have like 3 different colors. She goes, when you do it, and I know what I said to her. I said, I try to bring it down. I'll do my gray and then I'll bring it down to blend it. And she's like, just do the gray. Just cover the gray. Because it's true. Now, if I'm coloring the other parts of my hair, then that's going to look different. So I can't do that. I hope this isn't going to be as sticky. So here we go. It's going right in. I mean, it looks like honey. It does smell like honey, but I'm going to tell you, I'm like paranoid of putting this in my hair right now. This is for my hair, right? It doesn't feel sticky, which was my concern. I thought it was going to be like sticky like honey, because honey is sticky. So how do they do that? How do they get the stick out of it? Can I tell you my hand is warming up? I don't know what it is, but my hand feels like the product is warming up in my hand. Don't know if that's supposed to do that, but it definitely feels like it. I'm not sure how much to put in. I hope I'm not putting too much in. It's literally warming in my hand. It's so bizarre. It's kind of cool. Maybe it'll be like a heat treatment. Okay. I can't tell how it feels. I mean, it doesn't feel so much like a cream. It doesn't feel like a gel either, though. That's what's so weird. And I feel like, granted, guys, just so you know, this is not specifically for curly hair. This is for any hair. It doesn't say curly hair, but I like leave-ins, so it might not make my curls look as great, but that's not what they're advertising. So, because I'm trying to style my curls, and I feel like I'm not getting the style that I want, that I usually can tell if I like a product right away. It seems a little too dry. Like, see it? I'm getting like messy curls. Do I put more product in though? I don't know. I don't want to put too much in, and then it's too much, but I'm having a hard time getting my curls, but again, this is not for curly hair, so it's not meant to be for curly hair. All right, I don't want to put more in, guys, because I think I'm overdone. All right, let's just dry the hair. Let's dry the hair and see how it comes out. Here we go. Okay, I just want to show you before I'm sweating first of all. So most of you know about scrunching your curls out, getting rid of that cast, but some of you might not know. So that's why I stopped here before I scrunched my hair, because I want to show you the difference. I don't know if you could tell. It's like, it looks wet still, but that's, if it feels dry, which I'm having a hard time with this. I think this has taken me a long time to dry my hair with. My hair is very thick. So I'm going to just do a little more drying, and then as I dry, I'm going to show you how I scrunch out this cast. See this cast? It looks like wet. It's not very attractive. I'll show you the difference. I'm just going to stop here. Again, this was not for a curly, this is not for curly hair. Even though you think, oh, maybe my hair looks good. I put way too much in. I put too much in. So it's just never going to dry. So I think we're going to have to try this product again with a little less. Or maybe just know, you know what? It's not a bad product. I'm going to just use it over time. It's not a bad product. And I'll keep you posted. It doesn't, my curls don't look great. Like, look at, but this is not a curly hair product. So just keep that in mind. I mean, it's not my favorite right now because it's like I feel greasy. I gotta go wash my, I used way too much. I admit it. But like it wasn't, I felt like it was, I needed that much because I think my hair would have been dry otherwise, but I don't know. Maybe just not for me, that's all. I gotta go wash my hands. Okay, so we'll catch up. This is how it looks, not bad. Actually, not bad at all. But I have a feeling it's gonna look better throughout the day when it kind of does that in my hair sometimes. Okay, it kind of does that sometimes, you know, it gets better throughout the day, so we'll see. Okay, I will catch up with you and we will see. Yeah, I gotta go, let me go wash my hands. Not sticky, they're just greasy. First I'm gonna rub it in because it's probably good for my skin. Okay, I'll be back, guys, because I'm sweating with these lights. Okay guys, I just popped on here because it's easier. My camera was already set up. Yeah, I put the hair back. It was just a little too on the greasy side because I probably put too much in. I'm going to use it again, using very little. My hair might look too dry though. I have a lot of hair. I think that's the problem. And when the spring, summer comes, my hair just gets puffy and thick and wild, which is good. But some products just are too... It's too much for my hair, I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna go to the mall because I have to go food shopping and I have to return. I got the most beautiful dress at J. Crew. Whatever. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next video. I'll do the dress on another haul because